Today discussion topic is PN junction diode. PN junction diode. P-type and N-type semiconductor taken separately are very limited use. If we join a pair of P-type material to a piece of N-type material such that the crystal structures remain continuous at the boundary, a PN junction form. A PN junction form. It can function as rectifiers, amplifiers, switching and other operations in electronic circuit First one is rectifier, second one is amplifier, third one is switching and other operation in electronics circuits. A PN junction cannot be produced by a simply pushing to pair together or by welding, etc., because it gives rise to discontinuities across the crystal structures. Spherical fabrications techniques are a dope to the from a PN junction diode. PN junctions diode. What is PN junction? Next topic is what is PN junction? A PN junction is a device formed by the joining P-type doping with boron aluminum with N-type that doped with potassium and separated by a then junction is called PN junction diode or junction diode. PN junction diode or junction diode. This is the electrical symbol of the PN junction diode. The triangle shape indicated the direction of current. This is the showing of the PN junction diode symbol, electrical symbol. P-type semiconductor connected to N-type semiconductor. In between P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor, deflection layer formed and insulating between two sides. Deflection layer formed and insulator between the two sides. Where deflection layer is behave as like insulating. In PN junction diode, N is at right and P-type semiconductor is at left. Majority charge carriers is N-type of semiconductor, N region is electrons. P-type of semiconductor, P region is holes. P type of semiconductor is in holes. N type of semiconductor, N region is electrons. P type of regions is majority charge carriers is holes. Formation of a deflection layer. Formation of a deflection layer. How to formation of the deflection layer? In deflection layer, like we have as the insulating material. No external connections. So there, the access electron in the N region across the junction and combined with the access holes in a P region. N region lose its electrons, becomes positively charged. P region accept the electrons, become negative charged. At one point, the majority action will be stopped. The majority action is stopped, and additional electrons from the N regions are repelled by the net negative charge of the P region. Similarly, and additional holes from the P regions are repelled by the net positive charge of the N regions. The net result is a creation of a thin layer of each side of the junctions, which is depleted of the mobile charge carrier. This is known as deflection layer. Thickness of the order of 10 to the power of minus 6 meter. 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. The deflection layer contains no free and mobile charge carrier, but only fixed at immobile ions. Its width depends upon doping levels. Heavy doped thin deflection layer and lightly doped thick deflections layer. Potential barrier. Potential barrier. The electrons in the N region have to climb the potential hill in order to reach the P regions. Electrons trying to cross from the N region to P region access a recording profile of the battery and therefore repelled summaries from holes of the P regions. Potential those produced are is called potential barrier. Gallium arsenide is one of the semiconductor, and germanium is one of the pure semiconductor, and silicon is one of the pure semiconductor. Potential barrier of the pure semiconductor germanium is 0.3 electron volt. And potential barrier of the silicon is 0.7 volts. 0.7 volts. This is the working principle and working formulation, working diagram of the PN junction diode. There is a right side is N-type doped region semiconductor, and left side is P-type doped regions. will be there. When they connected with potential the potential barrier will be created when the depletion layers. PN junctions can basically worked into two modes. Has a battery is connected into the diodes. First of all, one is a forward bias mode. Positive terminal connected to P region and negative terminal connected to N region. This is the forward bias principle. Reverse bias mode. Negative terminal connected to P region and positive terminal connected to N region. This is the reverse bias mode. Reverse bias mode. Forward bias PN junctions. It forces the majority charge carriers to move across the junction, decreasing the width of the depletion layer. Decreasing width of the depletion layer. Once the junction is crossed, a number of electrons and the holes will be recombined. For each holes is in the p sections that combine with an electrons from the n sections, a covalent bond breaks and electron is liberated, which electron is positive terminal. Then create a electron hole pair. The current in the n region is carrying by the electrons and current in the p region carried by the holes. It is a majority charge carriers of the electron in n region and minority charge carriers holes in n regions. Majority charge carriers of holes in p region, minority charge carriers electron in p regions. Reverse based PN junction diode. If the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the n type and the terminal to the p type semiconductor, the free electrons and free holes are attracted back towards the battery. Hence the back from the depletion layer, hence the depletion layer is growing. Those reverse bias PN junction does not conducted in current. Only the minority carriers cross the junction, constituting very low reverse sections current. This current is of the order of microampere. Voltage current characteristics of the PN junction diode. The curve drawn between voltage across the junction along x-axis and current through the carrier along the y-axis. They describe the DC behavior of the diode. When it is in forward bias, no current flows into the barrier. Voltage 0.3 voltage of the germanium is overcome. Then the curve has a linear rise and the current increases. with the increases in forward voltage like an ordinary conductor. Like as ordinary conductor. Above 3 voltage of majority carrier passing a junction gain sufficient energy to known out of the valence electron and rises the conduction band. Therefore, the forward current increases sharply in the forward bias. With the reverse bias is the potential barrier at the junction crossing. The junction resistance increase and prevent current is flow. However, the minority carriers of the accelerated by the reverse voltage resulting a very small current, reverse current in the order of the microamperes. Microamperes. When the reverse voltage is crossed behind the value called as breakdown voltage, the reverse current is increases sharply and the diode shows the almost zero resistance. It is known as valence breakdown. Reverse voltage above 25 voltage destroy the junction parametrically. Working of PN junction diode. VI characteristics of a PN junction diode. And voltage taken on the x-axis and current value taken on the y-axis. Then the flat graph is showing the above figures. Their forward bias increases voltage with respect to current. Reverse bias voltage with increases to reverse current. PN junction diode act as a rectifier as seen in the IV characteristics. Certain current flow in forward bias mode. Negligible current flow in the reverse bias mode. Unit is G0 of valence of breakdown happens. Thus the PN junction diodes allows the electron flow only when P is positive. This properties is used for the conversion of AC into DC with is rectification. Automatical switches. When the diode is forward bias, the switch is closed. When it is reverse bias, it is open. It is forward bias, switches is closed. When it is reverse bias, switches is open. Advantages. No filament is necessary in PN junctions diodes. Occupations laser space and long life. Next, application of the PN junction diode has rectification to convert alternate current to direct current. As and switches in computer circuits. As detector in radio to detect audio signals. As LED to emitting different colors. As LED means light emitting diodes emits different colors. This is the applications and working of PN junction diodes and circuits, basic circuits of the PN junction diodes, symbols of the PN junction diodes, formulation deflection layer of the PN junction diode. నాకు తెలుసు.